All right, guys, this is the DEWALT Portable Folding Workbench. Now, this is really nice to have when you're going from job site to job site. It's easy to set up. It will hold up to 1,000 pounds, and it has nice metal legs on it. So first, let's just open it up. To open it up, we're going to push this button here, and we're just going to pull up. And as you can see, it opens up really easily. We're just going to whip it up like that. Now, as you can see, lots of peg holes. There are some attachments for this thing. Down here on the end, you've got a tray, screws, tools in there, handheld, stuff like that. Then in the middle, you've got these cross here for clamps here. So you can put a clamp in there, tighten that down. There you go. Now that's clamped in there. You can drill into it, cut it, whatever you need to do. Now, takedown is really easy too. You just flip this over like this. And again, you've got this yellow button here. You just push down on that. Again, really simple to fold up, nice and portable. Just a nice thing to have if you're going between job sites.